Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today another video and another learning. So this is a tutorial of double crochet. Okay, so this is for absolute beginners that just trying to learn how to crochet. Okay, so I have here my 6mm hook and my bulky yarn. Okay, so that is thick. Okay, so you can see it clearly. Okay, so we have to start, and every project, every crochet project, okay, we are going to start with our slip knot. Okay, so just wrap and then pull up the loop and insert your hook, and from here we are going to chain first. Okay, so we can do our double crochet. Okay, so yarn over, pull through, 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 yarn over, pull through. Okay, so this is our chain. Okay, and now we are going to do our double crochet. Okay, so with our double crochet we count 1 2 3, and into the fourth chain we yarn over. Okay, in the fourth chain we are going to insert our hook. Okay, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through all 2. Okay, so let's do that again. Okay, so yarn over into the next stitch. Okay, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You have 2 left, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so this is your double crochet. Okay, so let's continue. Yarn over the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. You have 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so this is our double crochet. Okay, into the next one, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so this is how it looks like, our double crochet. Okay, so let's continue that, guys. Yarn over. Okay, in the next chain, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Into the next, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so this is our double crochet. So hopefully, guys, you got this tutorial. Okay, so we're going to continue, and I'm going to show you in the second row what to do. Okay, so insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, insert into the next, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Insert, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. and into the next, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so in the next row, okay, so this is how it looks like. You can see it better because I'm using a chunky yarn. Okay, so in the next we chain 3. Okay, and then from here, okay, so this is count as our double crochet. We are going to jump into the next stitch. Okay, we are going to insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so with this, guys, in this, when you finish it, okay, so this you will be doing, this is the third, okay, so you will be working on that. Okay, so we are going to continue. Okay, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. For example, if you're going to work on 2 double crochet in the same stitch, okay, so you're going to make a 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So what we're going to do is insert in the next, okay, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, and then in the same stitch we are going to do another double crochet. So that is 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so now we are going to continue our double crochet. Okay, so this is just how it looks like. Okay, so yarn over into the next, insert, pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 left, yarn over, pull through all 2. Okay, so it's very easy, guys. Yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so it is very easy, guys. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Okay, I would love to answer all your questions, and if you want me to create, you know, videos, I would love to help you guys. Okay, so we are into our last. Okay, so as you can see, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so here we're going to insert and then pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so you have to be careful, guys, when you're working on the end, that you have to work until to the last stitch. Chain 3. Okay, turn your work and then into the next. Okay, so this one is our double crochet, so we are going to double crochet in the next space or next chain, insert, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so you just have to be mindful, okay, every time you work onto the end, that you don't miss anything. Okay, the easiest way to do is you count your stitch. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so if you have 13 stitches, okay, you have to work 13 stitches, and then on the second row you need to make sure that you have 13 stitches as well. Okay, so hopefully, guys, this is clear enough. Okay, this is how it looks like, Okay, so I'm going to show you a little bit more. Okay, so yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 hooks, yarn over, pull through 2, okay, and 2 left, yarn over, pull through all 2. Okay, so that easy. Okay, so yarn over into the next, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. Hopefully this is clear enough, and if you have any suggestion, any feedback on my tutorial, please leave a comment below. I will appreciate it, and it will help me improve my tutorial in the future. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and hopefully to see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.